The Wi-Fi splash page is the primary data acquisition touchpoint on a guest network. Its design directly determines the volume and quality of first-party data you collect. Yet most captive portals are deployed without understanding the technical and compliance elements that make them work. A captive portal is a network access control mechanism that intercepts unauthenticated traffic and redirects it to a web page where the user must complete an action before gaining access. Before authentication, devices can only access resources explicitly whitelisted in the walled garden. Mac randomisation in modern mobile operating systems generates a new random MAC address for each connection, preventing persistent device tracking. The three-tap rule: a user should connect in no more than 3 taps from the moment the splash page appears. Any additional step introduces friction and reduces conversion. Think of the walled garden as a waiting room. You must explicitly allow the necessary resources into the room, or the guest will have a broken experience before they even authenticate. MAC randomization means you can no longer reliably identify a returning device by its hardware address. Any architecture that relies on MAC-based returning guest recognition is broken on modern mobile operating systems. Read the full guide at purple.ai.